G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing a review on the Poleet Airpods charger for your car. So without further ado, hit that like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into the video. Let's go. Okay, so Poleet reached out to me and asked me to review this product, and at first I was a little bit cautious. I was like, I don't really review too many Apple products and I do get sent a lot of things to review. So I was cautious to start with, but I'm glad I did agree to have a look at this car charger. And one of the reasons I decided to look at this was, one, it was cheap, two, it offered some functionality and actually could add a little bit of value and make my day a little bit easier. So, this cute little car charger can be used, one, for charging your AirPods, version 1 and 2, and two, it also has USB output, so you can also charge your phone at the same time. Pretty cool. Now the unit is made of plastic and it is nice and light, and it has that polished Apple look to it. Now it's not made by Apple, it's made by Poleet, but it definitely looks like an Apple product. And like I said, it is nice and light and it comes in two colors, black and white. I went with the white version. It is definitely compatible with AirPods 1 and 2. And like I said, also supports USB output. Now the input is 12 to 24 volts and the output is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. So you're gonna get a nice decent current, not overcharging or undercharging, just an average sort of current that you would get through most car chargers. And it is definitely handy for charging your pods and any other USB device that you have in the car that might need charging as well. So it doesn't have to just charge the pods in your iPhone, it can charge the pods and any other device in the car. And I must say that it's made perfectly. I mean, this pod case just clicks into place and there's no movement. It can't fall out. No matter what I do, that's not going to fall out. A little bit of a tug and it comes out again. Nothing's going to get caught in there while it's in there charging, and it's nicely designed on the inside as well. Nice and smooth with your standard Apple charger in the bottom of the cradle. And when it is charging, it does emit a nice blue light out of the USB port, so you can tell that it is getting power through it. And at first I was thinking, how am I going to know if it's charging? But they definitely thought of that and put the blue light within the USB port. Now I didn't notice any overcharging or anything like that. It just charged at a standard speed and it trickled through at a nice pace. I didn't experience any overheating whilst using it, and I didn't have any problems with it not charging, and I didn't have any problems with it overcharging. So it looks like it's definitely passed some sort of QC testing, and I'm quite happy with the charging I was getting out of it. Now the great thing about this is that it's very cheap. So you can get one for your car and one for the wife's car. Or if you have a number of cars in the household, you can get 2, 3 or 4 of these, however many you needed. Now, you also might have more than one charging port in the car, and you might have more than one Apple user in the family. So again, because they're so cheap, you could get a couple for each car and it wouldn't be a problem. You really wouldn't notice a hit in the back pocket. So pretty much a gift for yourself, a gift for someone else. If you know a hardcore Apple fan that has the AirPods and has an iPhone and everything's Apple, 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 this is probably going to go down well with them. Maybe a little stocking filler for Christmas or a secret Santa present for your Apple loyalist. We all know Apple loyalists, they're everywhere. We're surrounded by them. And this will be a good little present for one of those Apple loyalists. Now, not everything's perfect, and I will never sit here and say that something's perfect. And probably the only issue I have with this charger is it's a little bit on the wide side. So for me to actually charge the AirPods and charge via USB as well, I had to have it on an angle because if it was sitting flat, the USB cable wouldn't fit in because of where the charger was located in the car. So you're just going to have to consider that. I just twisted it on the side a little bit and it charged fine. Got the USB cable in as well. So do I recommend the Poleet AirPod charger for your car? Yeah, I do. Like I said, it fits version 1 and 2. It's nice and cheap. It's actually functional and useful. So definitely. Links down below. Hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.